Start it. Okay, good morning, class 6 children. So today again we are here to perform activity related with your chapter number 15, air around us. So many of the activities you performed earlier, but now few are left or they want to perform much more activities. So first is Aditya is going to start. So start Aditya with your activity.
Okay. So good morning to one and all present here. My name is Aditya Biswas and today I'm going to perform my activity on dust particles present around us in front of you. So let's get started. I have switched off all of the lights in this room and now this room is dark. We cannot see anything here. And I have taken a mobile and on this and turn on its flashlight. So you can see that some dust particles are moving here and there around us, if you can see clearly. So so we should not breathe from our mouth, because if we breathe, so these dust particles can be go into our mouth and harm us.
Okay, very good. Very good. So next will be Anya. Continue. After that, Ridhima. Then Charvi, then Tanishq. Yes, Anya, start.
Ma'am, wait a minute. I am preparing.
Continue, Charvi, beta.
তুই কিরকম খাবি বিয়ে হচ্ছে এর সাথে এখন খাবি তুই এখানে হ্যাঁ কি রে বাবা
Start?
Yes, start.
Okay, ma'am. You can see I have taken one plate and put some water in it, and now I am burning these candles.
Lighting up. You are lighting up the candles.
Ma'am, wait a second.
Yes, yes. We are able to see. No problem.
Candle, I put transparent glass on it. Now you can see slowly candle is execute, and water is collected in this glass upwards, and then now you can see this candle is also execute and water is collected in this. Both candles I cover with transparent glass, and both candles are execute.
This word is extinguished. Speak out. Extinguished. Extinguished. These candles are, or you can write down put off. Put off means that candle has extinguished. So, okay. So what does it shows,
Okay.
Charvi? Why the candle has extinguished?
Because air is not there, so candles put off.
Okay. So children, you can see as soon as she has kept the glass on the inverted glass on the candle after a few seconds, the candle get extinguished. So what's the reason behind it? Because the supply of oxygen is cut off now. There is no oxygen, and that's why the candle is no longer lighted up. So this is the reason for it. Okay, good, beta. Good.
So, good morning all present over here. Today I will show you the presence of air pressure in
Anya, mute yourself.
and how. My second experiment is that the presence of nitrogen present in the air and the presence of oxygen. So first, I will show the presence of nitrogen. So here I have a candle that is not lightened up. First, I will lighten the candle. We should do it in the presence of any elder. So you can see I have lightened the candle and it has been lightened up. You can see why it is lightened up, because the oxygen is present in the air. It shows that the presence of oxygen in the air. But if I will put the glass on it, so all the air present in the beside or in the surroundings of the candle, it will cover the air and it will be extinguished. You can see. You can see that it has been extinguished and all the smoke has been collected in it. But why does it happen? It happens because of the presence of nitrogen in the air. It happens then if we will put the glass on it, the air pressure or the glass blocks the air in the surroundings and it does not receive any oxygen. So because we have read in the chapter that oxygen supports burning, but if the candle will not receive oxygen, it will extinguish. And if we will try with another candle which we will not cover with the glass, so we will try it if it will lighten. So you can see I have extinguished my matchstick, and you can see it has been lightened very properly. The candle is being lightened very properly. See, you can see the small fire present in the candle. It is because of the air that is being present in the surroundings. It contains oxygen, and we have read that the percentage of nitrogen in the air is 78. The percentage of oxygen in the air is 21, and the percentage of other gases like carbon dioxide, hydrogen, it is 1%. First we will extinguish the candle. So next experiment is the spray. So you can see I have only filled the spray around a quarter. I have not filled it completely. So you can see if I will open the cap of the spray, it contains a pipe and air pressure that will throw the water. You can see it will spray the water. Why? It is because the air present in you can see it is not very completely filled. It is not completely filled. It is left with some space and it is filled with air. And it is because if we will, you can see, if I will press the trigger, it is spraying the water. But why? The pipe that is present in the water or bottle, we can see, it does has the air pressure. And if we will put on the trigger, the pipe will contain the air pressure. You can see here is the water, and if I will put the trigger, it will go down. So it is if we will press the trigger, the water will go out of the bottle. It is because of the air pressure inside the bottle. Thank you.
Very good, Tanishq. So many experiments you had performed and really wonderful work. So children, whenever you are doing, you are getting. So with practice, you can do much more. Very good. So who motivates you to do these experiments, Tanishq?
Activity with you. The activity aim is to show that air is present everywhere. Take an empty glass and look it carefully to ensure that there is nothing in the glass. Turn the glass upside down to further ensure that there is nothing in the glass. Now take a mug full of water and dip the open mouth of the empty glass in it. Now tilt the glass as little bit in the mug. As soon as you tilt in the glass, water enters, making a bubbly sound. It is because of the air present in the water. When the glass was kept upside down, the air inside the glass did not allow water to enter the glass, but when glass was tilted a little, the air inside the glass got space to escape from the glass, making a bubbly sound, as you can see. Thus, this activity proves that air is present everywhere. Thank you.
Continue.
This
Start, Chirag.